Some people may have a live where I go share with you with Dan. I talk about the relationship dynamic with Dewey and Queenie and how Queenie is a bad influence upon the youth life after the whole passa with RT Boss and Notnice with Dewey and Queenie. You see me I say? So Dan, I want woman will ever I beat Queenie certain way because her ways and her style as a big woman where she not approve of. You know what I mean? Like she let down all of the big woman them out there. And then she talk something. When me I said, Jano, me never did I look upon it like that, you know. She talk about a big man talking to a younger female and a big woman talk to a younger male. You know what I mean? She highlights something where me never did I look upon. You see me? So we are going to jump in it and hear what she has say. Alright, so okay, kick it off.
Related.
Look here now, you can imagine the eat what she eat do it when she buy the house. Lick do it and face a black.
Remember, you normally call on my phone and tell me about a bumbo clap people problem pussy. Me never normally call on your phone pussy hole. I say you know say me a baby mother. I say you know say me a girl a fuck a Canada. And I'm a breeder pussy hole. Talk where you want talk now, big batty boy. Jay, hold on, Jay. Time a voice note. Me a voice note to Notnice. Remember, you normally call on my phone and tell me about a bumbo clap people problem pussy. Me never normally call on your phone pussy hole. I say you know say me a baby. You know say me a girl. And I'm a breeder, pussy hole. Talk where you want talk now, big batty boy. Talk say you fuck batty, you know. Talk say you take money, you know. Talk them things upon it. I got you for talk you till you get views. People will watch you. Stop calling me bumbo clot name, brother. You don't come lick out with your glass. You're not satisfied. Your big pussy friend you have on the internet and chat. You're not satisfied. Hey, big batty boy, suck out your mother. Know that. I send your bad man friend for me now. Pussy, I talk about my bad. Me can trace my bad. Now, batty boy. You know. Send all the police friend them for me to pussy. Oh, you have secret for me. I have secret for who? Secret for your mother. Secret for your mother, pussy. Know that.
Can I run with a Jamaica so where can I run with a do it
Do it
breeder?
fed up to blood till I do it fed
Then
up.
girl have pit if you do it and come out with it. Do it cocky, no?
You put in a ban yet?
You about
Put in a ban yet?
that not say
No, let me tell you something. Look here. If Dewey was a normal man, he couldn't fuck no girl. Actually, fuck Queenie. A Queenie
You
bloody
put in a
matter.
ban yet?
Make a did more.
Queenie give him a
more,
buzz
more,
for
more,
real.
Long
You
blood
see
clot
me?
time.
Queenie give him a buzz. A big buzz.
Friday night after Momo, I go contact you say yes. They fuck with
But
us.
do we have baby I expect a Canada and England?
But that means I'm more than one girl. Another
Yes.
one.
Yes.
I'm more than one girl, and none of them does not come out yet.
Queenie come on live and say, do we get 9 picnic at England, 3 at Canada, 1 at Jamaica?
Murder. Boy, Queenie.
Momo, this talking so we
That
want
blood
baby.
clot.
Mildew a go out with himself. Pretty dancer Mildew. Mildew a go out with himself.
No man. This is something I never see something go so yet.
No, sir.
And Queenie, I defend him, man.
Mama, what is it?
Oh God, Queenie. You want you to love yourself. You see, moment you love yourself.
So my man,
enough
my
is enough.
man,
No, come
that
back on
come
this
in
side,
front of me. My man, when me married to, come in front of me, come say fuck you and breed girl in front of me. My man.
No,
When me
you
married
can't
to.
say that.
My man,
When you
my
have a
husband.
no, when you're an old man, when you're a big man, you're married to a young boy, you have to. And first, the child, the man don't have no picnic like all one picnic. You have to know you can't give him a picnic, so you don't know. So I'm going to go bring some.
A lie. Are we alone behave so? Them a white woman now they take up a Jamaican man them. The Jamaican man have to behave them blood clot self.
Breeding the girl
Can't
is not the
fit
problem.
me.
How him attack it is my problem. You know. How him attack it in front of her. Yes,
Then
me
you
fuck you
like
and breed
try.
girl. And that part them I listen to. And say it happened that the problem. You know. How him say it in front of she with her wife and her husband. And that's it. And that's a code.
But Dan, if him can juke somebody in front of her, what make him can't class talk about breeding?
That's true.
And
That's
remember
true.
saying
I'll
the
get
yes
this
girl in
second
front of her, you know.
But money, that's what they agree
That
to
is
do
a fraud, Mika.
together. But if you go behind your back, go breed another girl.
That ain't nothing to do with talk. Is what I say because Queenie overlook everything. Is what I say Queenie no matter about him a breed woman. Dewey could have breed 100 woman out the road. Yes, what I say Queenie no business as long as Dewey come back home to she. Although me not go say she no business because that's why she and him kick off enough for the time and she go on with herself. You know what I mean? Lock him out, beat him up, all these things. Yes, what I say. But she not gonna do nothing about that cause him left her for how much months and now come back to her. So all she business about I say him reach back her foot and him there beside her. That's all Queenie business but and Queenie we cuss anybody if it do it. You see me I say them are gonna get in some in-depth thing people. So you just stick around and go and watch.
Everything do with wine I woman yai. The woman I'll carry
Look
him,
here.
go put him on top of the salt.
You know when go say me and you did separated. So yeah, me fuck her that girl. That thing go use. And she go believe him. She go believe him.
But
Trust.
Let me
no,
hear me
you know what's
complain.
ironic about this thing too? To all my guambo RT and RT don't for Queenie and him bring up girl up I bring a Canada. No, sir.
Momo, the talk it already said 2 girls pregnant in Canada.
I
One
think I
of
want
them
to
due
put on
before the
Queen.
next.
One thing I
Kind
tell you, do we come back for the business? Do we do not come back for Queenie? Do we realize him run and him not run with nothing? So this time him come back for something.
No really, not really. You
The
just
man
come back
realize
because
him run,
everybody
I
Right.
gone
not run with nothing.
gone
This
left
time he
him
come back
and
with
him back.
something.
No, do
If
it
Queenie
smart
dead,
up still you know.
if
India
Queenie dead
give
right now,
her just
I
enough.
I guarantee if Queenie dead right now, so do we I get everything that one I pick me I get nothing. So do
Me
Queenie
believe
stay here.
then oh then you know see oh she do the me not even got that out him. Me the share so rest in peace. But from me see how he do that the one day me we me tapping nice yeah man. That the woman they not love herself much less. I remember when Dewey went come out one time come say
Right?
you pitney them a angle
Queenie,
me and
Queenie.
who yeah. That means that the pitney them
The
vex
Queen is killing.
Tell you
long
must
time.
vex. You know must vex. Why me have one daughter here, see?
The Queen can do
Me have
anything
a
and get
daughter
ready.
here. Me have 3 daughters, but you see the 20-year-old one. Jesus Christ. Me I tell you, me have to move up.
When time do
Put the
we
daughter
post
up.
Queen one at the time, do we say stop talk about your 5-star baby father car 4 or one of the 5 is not him breed you.
Queen.
Do we all ball out that two guys like a little family secret?
Judge.
And she tell
You
do it. And
yarn
she
it
tell do
out.
it. And
How
she
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 tell
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 do
you
it.
pussy
Dewey.
out?
Yeah, one of you them enough. She tell him and Dewey did come rub her and say, stop talk about 5-star, my 5-star baby father car. One of them enough for him.
Lord
Me
clock.
hear
Hey,
that, ears hear that.
do we know somebody for make no
Queenie
nothing, you
chat
know?
too much
Don't
too.
make me
The
talk, you
Queenie
know.
come
Don't
like
make
I
me
say
talk. I get me talking about
everything me
them.
sit down and tell do it. So do we have
No,
to
I'm for threaten her. Don't make me talk, Don't make me talk.
listen to me. Sometimes when you not have man, you know, if you tell them
And she
say
said,
you
so you know
fuck
blood
5, tell them
clot,
say 3 or fuck. You can't tell him man every frigging thing boy you then we yet. Man not coming like a woman or we take them when they fuck all 20 gal.
But
And
why you
everything
want to
boy
know
you fi
much
tell
why you
man.
want to know much about me fuck? Why you want to know much about me fuck? Why you want to know
No,
my
me not
past? What
that
my past have
no,
to do with you?
Kermit. You will have a little man in the beginning, you know, you like the man in so you will talk boy and everything you fi talk.
And everything
Anything
me
you
a talk, me
want
don't like you
talk.
that much. Me don't like you that much to tell all of my deepest secrets.
Exactly. Keep you under your crutches. Cause you
So
see
God say,
man,
look,
Okay.
God says some of your deepest secret, if you take it and throw it in the middle of the sea, make God take it in the sea, me throw it. That's enough for you now,
exactly.
me pick now for nobody. Me and God are
And
dead with that.
nobody
Me
know.
and God alone talk about that.
Because they meet you one certain way and now when you and them left, they want to come bring you down. Man, wicked, you know?
No, every time I you see how they have some woman too, you have family problem. And as you meet the man, you start telling him everything about your family. It always come on back when
Tell them
the
a
man come
family
use against her,
problem.
you know.
True. And
Yeah.
you know what we have to look on? If you I tell him say your family this and that, he might go say, but I them raise you, so yeah, I see him thing. No matter what you
Yes, so that Queenie, the Queenie tell do it too much things, so him have too much things over she. You know what I mean? Queenie is so in love with Dewey where she not really hide nothing too much from him. You see me? She tell him everything. Cause when them did that cuss when him go to Canada, you know, at that the time that everything kinda bust out, you know. You know what I mean? That the time them diss her and deal with her away. Then them I go talk about everything still, so now I go hear everything with people. You see me I say, boy, me don't know if it's about Queenie still. Yesterday the way she act, the way she did dep on the life and I cuss and them something them I said, Jah no star. This woman lose herself. You know what I mean? And she supposed to rest and her heal. And she dep on life across everybody. You know what I mean? You know.
As Yanni catch up, he started to tell about your family. Me not discuss family with man because here when me and my family in an argument. When me have family in an argument, don't come in it. Don't come to my family problem.
Imagine your family go say something to him and him just unload upon the family because I know every fucking thing. The family
But
probably
lady, the Queenie not really shame about nothing, you know.
She not care.
So she not
I mean,
take
no.
nothing to tell him about nothing at all. He not take her nothing for bend down and send her home.
money she shame. But another shame what from social media are the shame what the husband put in her eye. That the shame that she have.
Yeah, but she no feel no way to tell him about the say one picnic and this and that. Cause Queenie talk worse things to the public, so that's like nothing for tell the way.
Right now, nobody can tell me say the left why in left her not touch her in a one different way. She can't love him like how she did first love him. Can't.
She love him same way. She love him same way.
Yeah, cause she said she never forgive him and take him back to that dead one day. She said she never forgive him.
She have to tell herself that she stay with him.
No, but him nearly kill her. Him kill her far. No idiot. Him kill her far.
One day I must click in her head. One day.
Him kill her far. And God have to come tell me say not do we kill her for Queenie. When do we see the house? When do we see the house? When do
look how much people for the man not like you, bro. Me couldn't do it.
Me say, when do we see say Queenie buy house that turn up in a do it? Say girl ya do it go there and couldn't do it. Couldn't do it on him own. And the man sister Queenie right without him. Sister Queenie do better than him and Queenie take back do it. Me say it's our demise she take back.
Queenie manipulative here. You see some of the things what she do because she have money. So she dey flex the money for the man. I think she
really back.
And because I'm a big, I'm radial, and I'm radial, I love likes.
Yes, really back with
so
money.
So if you come and even near me, if you start
before I look.
Down live did a move shaky.
True her vagina, she get pies.
Not one damn shit. I take her loan can send her because she up in her age, a big woman. Can send
it's a load in come up. The request now come up because spin.
The least of thing can send her but when doctor tell you that whatever burst inside of you, a pies in your white and your red blood cell. That's another least of thing.
Whoa,
something happened to Queenie.
Queenie look like in that.
What? Pies the white what?
Yeah. And when you got that, when them say a appendix burst, and when you got them have to call gynecologist, you don't tell me nothing. Me not idiot.
I never know.
Gynecologist not go with appendix.
No go with appendix.
Gynecologist not pussy, appendix in your belly.
Appendix in your stomach, your gas current.
One.
Me don't know what them people are the fan.
When them go, them think of appendix, but when them go and cut around, when they look and see when nearly have to do a major operation, they have to call the gyno. To a vagina, whatsoever attack Queenie when to her vagina.
That means that your reproductive system get licked. Something down there, so.
So, me hear the woman I say, boy, I do it. Try off a Queenie or whatever. Me not think so. Do we not go that far? What do we have to gain if Queenie drop out? Do we more safer and better if Queenie alive than if Queenie drop out? You see me I say because Queenie I'm bucketive, Queenie I'm mouthpiece, Queenie I'm bank. You understand? So do we only take that off for the youth name? You know what I mean? Same try if you do Queenie anything. You understand me? I say Queenie maybe just remember say Queenie up in a age, you know. So anything can happen. You see it. So it can be something of natural cause. It not have to be no this or that because them are gonna talk about the things on the live, you know, people. Not gonna hear everything. You see it. But do we not have nothing to do with Queenie? You know what I mean? The only way do it would have something to do with Queenie because maybe I the stress when put on her and them something there. You know what I mean? But otherwise from that, him not personally or physically try to hurt her. You know what I mean? Do we feel safe when Queenie around him? Because remember, you know, when him and Queenie left and him link up with friend and company or something and them cut left him and them in a vibes, who him run back to no Queenie. So Queenie and everything, so do we not do Queenie nothing. So take that off of the youth name.
Your fallopian tube down there, so down that the part that they call gastro, then call gyno.
I don't think, I know it's something spiritual. I know it's something spiritually did, but it's not through food, it's through our vagina.
I could have fight me, I saw fibroids, but them I saw no fibroids. But
No. Girl, let me tell you this. I've seen so much in a hurt, you see? Me said God in a Queenie pocket.
Hear them people here, we know everything.
God in a Queenie
They know
pocket.
every damn thing. Them a doctor, them a
Can me see, you see where Queenie got you?
everything.
Queenie if you lay down on her bed and rotten out and dead.
Hear them like
But
them.
God
know
in
them.
her pocket.
Hear them.
For real.
Yeah, tell her about some
God in a
people
Queenie
here.
pocket. She soon come out from hospital.
Them know every damn thing.
Me say she soon come out from hospital. That's why her family cuss her off on the phone because she come from Seaforth and St. Thomas. Them are gonna tell her what's wrong with her. Her family are gonna tell her what's wrong with her. Them know what they were wrong with her.
I won't be them say happen to Queenie. Boy,
Them know what's wrong with Queenie. Queenie now listen.
Tell about them internet doctor.
That's what I'm talking about. Family. Yeah, your family in St. Thomas know what's wrong with your Queenie. But you not listen. Your family in St. Thomas know what's wrong with your Queenie. She not listening.
Yeah,
Me
hello?
say, you don't know sex. This is sex and
Yeah, Dan.
spiritualism. Or the wickedest thing a year. Let me tell you that.
I'm listening to all of you guys as a woman, you know. We don't hate Queenie. I don't hate Queenie, but to do Queenie, it's very eye open to the world that Queenie they go through this thing and in the back this man in regarding he would take down the whole world for this man. I remember so we see Whitney go through it as well. No care what Bobby they do him, no care what she go through in the end of the day. You rather to give up everything just for this man.
It was a crackhead.
So in the end of the day, she's really going through hurt for real and she needs Jesus Christ because when they go through things that you don't allow God. Because this lady, she go through so much, she go through spiritual attack, she go through so much for true. And do we our biggest demons and she don't see. She her eyes blind towards everything. That is the biggest enemy she have. People that all of these people in our corner, they're not her enemy. Her enemy is right there with her. And I don't care when you go in, you have to come draw her spirit, come draw her.
Amen.
Amen. Done with her till she completely wipe off and gone 6 foot. But we have prayed for you,
Darling, you think say Queenie tired of doing it, tell us I do it to Queenie, you know? Alright.
When she cuss the crowd, we still look at her as a mother.
I don't believe a Queenie tired.
They might take her the guy that take her for such a...
You hear them all heap spiritualists, yeah, and doctors and them something up on social media diagnose people and I tell people business and I don't know what go on in a feed them life. You see me? Everybody have an opinion still. You know what I mean? And why you believe in you go project it on other people say boy I that go on with them. You see me? It can be something natural. Remember Queenie up in her age, so any little thing happen to her, it can be something natural. You know what I mean? It can be her lifestyle, how she live and all these things. You hear Notnice, I say, she push up some type of thing in her pumps You know what I mean? Some kind of DRUG. She put up in it, forget whatever feeling, me no know. Maybe I even that. This what me I say. So the people them a come and a blame do say do we do this, do we do that. The only thing do we guilty of it, you would have say maybe have a bag of, the only thing him guilty of have a bag of woman, breed a bag of woman and nah work or nothing and I live off of she. I'm on a level when Dewey did just reach a England, him look work, him did a work, but Queenie tell him say him can't work to certain hours because she depend welfare. So him can't do a full-time job where him can make money. So Dewey is not a youth where a cruff like how people have him as a Queenie. I broke him that way there because she want make sure say she take care of him with her money and control him and don't make him work because she has say she depend on welfare and if him work certain hours them are gonna kick her off fight. So you know what I mean, all of them things there with him. So the dog are not a bad person where people are trying to paint him as, you know what I mean?
Her eyes, we still look at her as a mother.
I
But me I tell
don't
you,
believe
this
a Queenie
guy,
tie
they
up.
might take her for, the guy that take her for such a
Queenie
ride
tie
and
up
she
good,
can't
we
see
don't
it,
want
her
Queenie.
eyes. You don't come like I said down when you're in the dark and you can't see the light. That's where she is. You're in the dark and you can't see the light. Not care what people they say. She need Jesus. She need faith. Yeah, man, she need fast and pray because she can get delivered out of everything what she a go through. But until she come out of the darkness and you
She
need
can't
very
fast.
spiritual
Look here, she
you
can't
need
fast and
you
pray
need
now because
deliverance.
Our
look here,
internet
she
did
can't
kinda
fast
lag
and
away.
pray for herself, because she already locked that door there, and somebody have to intervene for her, have to intercept for she, because she already locked for her door and blind for her eye to that.
To all we look, my girl, it come like she not giving nobody that chance to clear the
Ex-
spirit that they
that's why
torment
me I
her.
said to yourself. That's why me I said to yourself. That's why she and her family, my St. Thomas a war. Her family man are a war because they have been telling her the truth. Me know St. Thomas. I am from St. Thomas.
You're
And
them
she had black out
spiritualists, yeah.
everybody. That's why her family is against her.
Lady, give me a chance there. Break up.
And then we
Hold
come
on,
from
lick a
too.
bit. Who did hear when artist them call the mother and say, I want to come and see your daughter? And the mother said, oh, I'm finna letting somebody try kill my picnic. You remember artist said that 2 days ago on a
Yeah, me
live?
have it on the channel.
So the people must say, he must try kill her.
No, him said her mom pointed out something to him and him gonna share it. When him start talking, him say, she said to him, how him say, can I come over your house? And she said, how could I not let in somebody who's trying to hurt my daughter? In KILL. That was his exact words. And him said that stand out to him. That means that he's under discussion.
Yes.
He said it clearly. It's on YouTube. Type it in and look. Him said the mother.
Yeah, I watched that live. I watched that live. But it's not here try kill Queen.
They know what's going on. They all know what's going on, as you said, Rose.
She knows her picnic style up look boy.
They know what's
She
going
know
on.
that as a mother.
They know.
Your daughter is a curse.
He wasn't
She's a
like
blood
that.
clot.
Remember,
Dan,
he wasn't like that.
Dan, me I tell you, Dan. Dan, me I beg you. You see the gift before you get Dan? Dan, hear the gift before you get, you see, Dan? Me I beg you. Hear what me I tell you to do. Talk to God about Queenie and Dewey. Just talk to God. Like this the way.
It's not that.
Me not believe so.
It's not that deep, honey.
Listen, sometimes one of them talk, you know. I'm not even understand. So this need a real spiritual intervention to be true.
Why would one go and do something like that?
You see the person where wife left. You see the person where wife left and can't blood left. Listen this. When a woman tie a man and the man ready to left, the man kill him with murderation and beating because he want left. As she
but doing a while
that is true as well too. But
doing a while
ready to left. Him spirit not there so with she.
Understand Rose, you see what
she sick him stomach.
Listen up, we're not gonna be non-judgmental say that they go on, but we just say what Dan they say is also correct for true. When
I
a woman
know,
tie
I
a man,
know.
it not go done until
She
somebody
sit
dead.
the look
I
of
saw
boy
it go.
stomach. That's why I go to his friend them and I make so much complain. Him
So
no
no
want
care
to
where
dey
you
round
going,
the
go have to
woman.
come.
And she look
I don't like people. Me always hear that growing up. Say boy, when a woman tie a man, him always beat her or whatever. Me always hear that. You see me I say, and this woman I say, boy, do it I Queenie. Do it on a reason for tie Queenie. You see me I say, Queenie maybe have a reason for tie do it because she love him so much. You understand? And upon a level, I don't know if this tying thing are true still, people. I not lie. I don't know if this tying thing are true because I don't believe in a science certain way. You know what I mean? So if anybody fit tie anybody, me feel like a Queenie that I do it. You understand? Because a younger youth, she pass her prime and reach up in her age, so she wants somebody to stay with she. You know what I mean? So anybody fi do the tying a fi Queenie. You understand what I say? So down right panda one day. So down I go talk some things same way, so I go and listen.
Oh,
It not go done until
she
somebody
sit
dead.
the look
I
of
saw
boy
it go.
stomach. That's why I go to his friend them and I make so much complain. Him
So
no
no
want
care
to
where
dey
you
round
going,
the
go have to
woman.
come.
And she look like she have a spell on him because him no want to dey round
So
her.
something they go on,
Look
you
when
know
the look
something,
boy
but
go
it
on
need
the plane and go
intervention, it needs
England.
spiritual intervention.
Don,
Not even
remember
when
when
I
he
go
was going to
England, him no
Canada?
happy so. To the first time when I fly, when I go Canada, I make it look like I first time him I fly. Like him I said, thank you, Jesus, me free.
He was saying hallelujah a
You have
lot.
to
And
pay
now she said
attention to
she's the
what
one
go
who
on.
sent him. Talk about that. He was in the plane
but I
telling the
see
girl,
A
tell me
I
what
lie
said,
she
Canada.
a
hallelujah,
tell.
I'm glad me escape the
A
judgment
lie
of the
she a
wicked.
tell. And me
Hear
come
it. I'm call her names, not
up, she
even
come up
wife.
for him.
And
And
she
she
said
said in
she
America
sent
too.
him. So why would he
And
block
she said in
you?
America too.
Why would he block you? Why would he block you? And
Simple.
choose fake
Him
Simple.
bitch
name
to
got
Why
call?
England, but
block you
she's sending
4
America.
times?
It's you behind it,
Him
and you
Why
name
said you
got
block
was the
you
Canada,
boss
4
behind
but
the trip.
times?
she
You said you
sending
were
him
the
to
boss
America.
behind the fucking trip.
Come
Make it get
on.
sense. So why would a man that
She
he
have the boy and the
initiate that
bandit. The
he's
boy
supposed to
eat her
travel,
like
make him man buy him a
Kaiser.
fucking ticket, and then he reached to Canada and block you and calling you it, that, this, that? Come on now. The fuck? People ain't
Listen
stupid.
me.
Hello?
Listen me. I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to tell you this good and real. You see, if you are there with a man and you like him, say you're the man I go through a look of phases. You know, so when we get
Exactly.
ignorant, we guani, and we black all the man through we back. Look how quick time we go pull it back. Look how quick time we go pull it back, and we still like the
Hello?
person, so we go pull back that
True,
blood
But she
clot.
said
true,
she's the one
true.
who
You
sent
True,
him.
understand? Him
Cked
no pulling none at all. Him no pulling none at all. So he hate the person. When you see you black somebody after 7 months and you no pull that blood clot, you hate them. Me a black
True,
man
true,
all
yeah.
for one day.
That
One day
makes
me
sense.
a black man for one day.
The black,
Exactly.
And
the
Exactly.
black man for 1 day, true. 1 day.
when me see somebody,
Blacking you go
me black
peep
him
and
and
shit
them
like
man say
that.
me black him and say, so he no text me. And me walk that
Yeah.
text me all day. Him say me and him done. And me black him and still go pull it back. Cause like me I say, so he no text me. When me say blood clot,
Exactly.
oh he not text me, me black
Exactly
him. Me
my
walk me
point.
back. And see if I go text.
Same
Hey, we
thing,
not even
same
know them
true.
something them man. 7 months the man black you. 7 blood clot. And when you and him talk and you kill up yourself over the man still black you.
But look
The
here,
man
even
pass you. The
but
biggest red flag, the man pass you and go yellow poo man and turn back and you stretch your hand like how Jesus stretched him blood clot
but
and
did
feel
you
look at
see the
children them.
interview,
The man not
Don?
even
How
recognize
she
him, no
greeted
fear
him?
yeah, yeah. Come
Yeah.
on.
Yeah. When the interview and he walked in like, yo, you're nobody. And she's upon, oh my god, oh my god. She's a fan.
Queenie is a fucking demon.
She's a
No
fan.
more.
She's a fan.
Queenie got Jamaica. You look a boy we're vulnerable because as me say all the while, man do it and woman do it. Man go look woman we're vulnerable. But then can't help themselves and them say them a take over all the bills and this and that until they start beat out your blood clot and have you like slave. Woman start with enough now like them cause they come like them a man. Them a take up man duty. Them a go Jamaica and a take up the vulnerable little boy them we can't help themselves, can't barely buy a spliff. And then them advantage them. Do it what the school do it is right now. A queen turn do it is right now. Real. We're not talking about no woman to woman. This is not about woman to woman. This is about real talk.
So why she
A
keep saying
queen
girl
turn
power?
do it in a what him is right now.
She's a girl bring down.
Girl power pussy clot. She know what?
What girl power?
Yeah,
Girl power what?
This is not the first time me hear Dan say, Queenie doing who he is. I look into it with people, I say, Jano, you know, say a reality she attack, although we don't know him before the media still, but as she kind of push him, you know what I mean, to be this type of person, because even when him did a talk about how him start perform on stage and him something, they must say him did shy. You know what I mean? A Queenie push him and I say, yo, you're on the Queen apart. You have to rare this and that. You know what I mean? So she kind of push him. Boy, people, me not like, Queenie is a terrible big woman, me not like. And them still a go talk some things we kind of go show Queenie in a bad light. You know what I mean? Me no know if because them say it make me a look on Queenie so, but me a look into where them a say, especially with Dana say, and me a say, yo, a reality, you know what I mean? A Queenie kind of rare this youth here still, but at least she give him a lot of opportunities, because first time him ever fly out of Jamaica, she make him fly, she take care of him. You know what I mean? She rate him, she love him. But she also come on the internet, come diss him and drag him, shame him, talk all different type of things about him, say him name her Ray. Him a fish, she deal with him a wait up, she bring him down. You see me I say? So make we hear some more how we done them I say.
She's a girl disgrace.
She's a girl bring down.
Girl power pussy clot. She know what?
What girl power?
Yeah,
Girl power what?
She's a girl disgrace.
A girl bring down to come down.
All right, let me ask you a question. Who know the feel good you know say una there with a man, and when you no get miserable, the man not even answer you. Who know the feel good about that? Who know the feel good for know say una have a man and when you not cuss and get miserable, the man not even look.
True.
Our internet did a lag.
Not even answer me, not even pay me no mind. She chop him in a blood clot for answer. So why demon? You know I watch the show, but you don't understand the show when I watch. The woman is a demon. The woman are the problem, not the boy is the problem. The woman are the problem. The boy that never answer, no matter how she cuss and go on with her cranny, dirty, nasty self. She chop him in her face for answer, and she come out, come talk on social media, say me have to chop him in her blood clot head. Come here talk to him and him don't want to answer me. And she turn him in that who him be right now, and him still in that wall back all in that when they have a big clash and he say, don't make me talk, because me talk, you go shame. Because the things them we know, and he still a wall out. And she come with all the excitement and that, this and that, and he still a wall back because he's not that person. And she turn him in a way and become right now and think,
Well, Queenie can thank her
he's gonna save her life, and the demon in her said she's cussing the doctor in her head. She's possessed. The lady a demon for true.
She need
the doctor
deliverance, man.
save your life and you are crippled up and a ball and you feel like everything will come down on you. You don't know if you're gonna die and you're gonna say, in my head the devil have me a custom. It's not the devil, it's a demon in you. Bye.
Yeah, man, the demons in you, they fight everybody around you, yeah. And they block her from getting her fear help as well.
I demon in her. Remember, you know, Queenie them a woman, we pick up all kind of blood clot evil. Queenie them got backward na 3 o'clock at night when Duppy a walk. All Duppy then can't go give them man for fuck to blood clot. Cause Queenie they love 4 some, 5 some, or 6 some. You have to know them something about Queenie. Queenie is not a woman. Queenie is a demon. When backward na night, na hours go pick up all kind of little gal for make do it for in front of she a pick up all kind of demons and her blood clot. She's a devil.
African movie.
Anything what she get, she fi take it and she deserve it. Come on, anything she get, she fi take it. Nobody no sorry for Queenie. When last I saw one about the Surfush Queenie, 1 out of 1,000. Surfush blood clot Queenie, do it for pop in neck, man. And that we wait for now, we know. Fin push him over one precipice and we here so you can't find him.
Well, I mean, I'm going to say that to them, but I like them just lose time if so be the case. If the problem
they can't find
him. Now, hold back here.
She not go Lego. She not Lego. Anything guy, she not Lego. She are the problem. She are the big papi show. And me will never blame the boy. And me done. The reason why me not blame the boy. At first, me da blame the boy, but when me go in the story and go in the story, me say about blood clot. Oh, no bias as woman. You always take up for another woman, and when people wrong, you forgive them wrong, and when people right, you forgive them wrong. CM, give them their right when they deserve their right. Give them their wrong when they deserve their wrong.
The real question is, would you, mother here and the live, would want your son to be attached to a lady like that? I would not want my son to be attached to a woman like that.
That's true.
Boy, people, Queenie a one cantankerous woman. You see me I say, like she have 7 demons I walk with. You see it, cause what the woman say a while ago about where she go on with in the hospital, me did I watch, I think me have the live on the channel too. When you can go watch, I think me upload it about 2 or 3 days ago. Where she has say the doctor them a tell her this and she a laugh after them. You know what I mean? And Ray. You understand me I say? So Queenie is a woman where is like she not care none at all. She come on the internet with everything, and she kinda bring down doing her way still, me people. Me not lie, because she come on the internet come talk why him do and all these things. You see me I say? So people really kinda see who she really is, cause we don't attack saying people she me hear attack and me I look into things and me I say, hold on. You know what I say? I saw it go for real. A Queenie are the problem in our way. You know what I mean? Do your problem still, you know, cause him sneaking and I do some things where nah show up on the media. You know what I mean? Because a Queenie alone I come and bust out them things there when have too much woman, but Queenie come on the media and say she don't care about him having other woman, because even when Dan say she carry him go buy him girl fi sleep with. You see me I say? So as she a broke him bad. So if you tell me say alright, boom, you tell me say it's okay to eat sweets then. You know what I mean? It's okay to eat sweets. And you are the one where give me sweets. So when me go get the sweets by my own, you go tell me say me wrong to get the sweets when you already give me sweets and I broke me out in a sweets. That me I say. You know what I mean? So it look like say when she can't manage it, cause him have different women asleep with and them something there. And him not tell her about it, cause she want know about it, you know. She want in a the relationship with them or in a whatever go on, you know. She want 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 some, like we done say. So the woman them will do ya meet and a knock down by himself. She not like that. So at that she a fight him over. I tell her, boy, no sir.
Would you, mother here and the live, would want your son to be attached to a lady like that? I would not want my son to be attached to a woman like that.
That's true.
I would have
I
pies
would
him
never
blood
want
clot
my
if you
son
know.
to be
I'd have
attached
pies
to a
him if you
woman
know
like
all
that.
this.
Down live with a glitch people.
Me tell you the
That's
truth,
what I
God
say.
love. Remember me tell you, when do it just got England, I
we
think of the
love our
second time
sons,
when him
don't get
going
me
up.
wrong, we are
When at
woman,
the
we love
airport
her
and she
in
had
the
beat him
care,
at the
but I
airport.
would not want my son to be attached
When,
to a lady
yeah,
like that.
when she had beat him at the
airport
airport.
sitting for
You
real.
know see when the police they run towards them, when the police they run towards them, who the police run go to? She. You see the police look at him all now? Because she had beat him off at the blood clot airport. You see the police go to him and say, evil, young man, you're alright or whatever. Or why you hitting the woman? And she had beat him and see me outside. The woman is a devil. The woman is a demon. And anything one can get from her, if you suck out all her eye, them all her eye ball, if you suck out her blood clot body. Suck out everything where you can get, no left nothing in that blood clot there. Name where you can name, suck where you can suck, fuck where you can fuck, and eat where you can eat. Drink where you can drink, and don't left till everything suck out.
One thing you
When
know,
would that
Dan
we
never
can say for
talk,
she?
you know. And in a whole
She
back.
tie down the little boy upon her. She no want give little boy a break. Man can go for 7 months and live with you and say your man married. Man go for 7 months on social media world know. Man gonna breed girl. Man attack her under your steer. Man and now you come back say you cuss people for man. Queen if you go suck him mama and go here, man. Man mama go the same thing. That's why mama take up for him. So man mama go the same blood clot there. I see him when mama turn and mama take off her.
Well, I mean, I'm telling like, man, dopey type of African type of movie was scary, wicked.
Yeah, man, I want
Well,
African type of movie
people,
this,
me
you know, me
not
think, me
like.
sit down and say nothing about it, Dan, and say for true.
Yeah, man, our
We
African
have to
type.
pre
And
with
talk,
and say
you
still,
come
you
out
know.
call make people know saying Italy. Your frowns in front.
Yeah, you put him down way to the
Hi,
ground. Man,
oh, you
first you
think he look
say,
why mother
he
feel?
don't, Dan, yeah, you
Any
put him
woman
down
will
to the
have a
ground.
boy picnic.
You saying eat.
Come on.
You saying no money. You
Come
saying
on.
gallivanting. And you saying disrespectful. You saying he's a beater. You say every bad of him. So what's the good about him? Why you want to kill yourself about him?
That's what we want to know.
Can you put him up on the cross like Jesus? So
But yes, you know, you
now
come say
leave?
you put everybody for you.
Yeah, that's sickening for sure.
You come out and say man a fucking. And you come out and tell
Hello,
us say man
no
a fucking.
science on there. No
People
science on
did
there.
that
St.
assume,
Thomas
but yet
stronger than
them
Westmoreland,
clearly.
St. Elizabeth. Science said the whole of Jamaica. No science on there. St. Thomas stronger than anywhere.
And you come
Stop talking about the science strong.
clearly, cause people that assume and I say man must.
And you know what? Me I left Dan talk when I want to talk, you know, because you say any woman you say ball to cow for man. Remember me tell you I signed that. So you don't want to see
Aside.
nothing else.
You ever see that for your bonnet? You ever see that for your bonnet? You ever see a woman ball to a cow? Now first you see that in your life.
First me hear that in my life and me a 36-year-old. Like, first me hear them something there. A history that one they make.
Okay. You see boy run and never look back? You see boy run, you see when the boy left her in a blood clot length. The boy left her in a length.
Hey, one thing still down, I go talk and down a business, you know. Down nah different Queenie none at all, you know. As a woman, you know, cause you know some woman that want side with the woman because them a woman. Down nah side with Queenie down at all. The facts them as how she see it. You know what I mean? And as she make me kinda did a look upon the whole relationship dynamic with Dewey and Queenie, you know, and she say Queenie I want cantankerous woman, you know. You see me? And she bring him down, you know what I mean? She put him up and she bring, you see, anytime them no good, she bring down him blouse and skirt, and when them good, she put him up, you know what I mean? Cha-cha.
For him exact length when they say you have to give up something. A she in blood. The boy run, you see when the boy left her in a blood clot length. The boy left her in a length. Take off the destruction of him exact length when they say you have to give up something. A she in blood clot give up and cut. And never look back. He never look back. Guy look like when he got a female man, the man tell him say you have to wait till length. When you have to give up something and then you do what you have to know. Yeah, she come out contact, so she there boy mother yard and his mother said to him, say, so Ziggy, where you go give up? That time she never know she. Cause you have to give up something, whether meat, whatever. Oh my Jesus. Me no know what to say to blood clot. Is a woman there? He right back. A Ziggy gone to blood clot. The baby father do the same thing. They say Queenie Carol, 10 girl go give baby father for fuck. That couldn't hold him. She want the man to stay home. She want she mind her man them, you know. Fear her man them not to do nothing, you know. She go thief her mind them. And do whatever mind them. And carrying all kind of woman come do 3 some, 4 some, 5 some, same the kind of life that she like from ever since. And I do it first and then I second and I third time and I
It's just a
Queen is just a big careless now.
Boy, I mean, I'm telling you, I'm just an in girl still, and when me they go to school, me read a lot of books. And one of the books them when me really reread on here in Jamaica here, me read Ali Palmer the witch and his husband them when kill them off and bury and the type of action them Missy Queenie with. You know them type of one day. Cause me read about Ali Palmer when kill off and murder of every husband when if he can't keep them and can't deal with them, if they not do the right thing, he just bury every one of them under the house. So when me remember them the story as a little girl come up, he give me that them type of fever there. Cause they come like I say them type of Ali Palmer witch, you know, yo. Boy, but I like God deliver her still, because then something I wickedness, you know.
Remember, you know, listen, you know.
She have to want deliverance.
Then woman they look vulnerable, man. Vulnerable. Then can't find man, you know, because they can't deal with man. certain way like how they
Boy,
deal
when
with
Ali
boy.
Palmer can't get the man them in kill
So
off
that's
the
why them have
whole
to
of
look
them
like a
about
careless boy. And run out in life and them they are ready
They
to
want
settle down.
compare
Why they
people
want a
pick
little
on
blood
them.
clot boy to
A
settle
true
with?
man. Enough of them
Why
are
they
so
never
they
look
stay
a
for
big
true
man we
dog.
don't out like them too? And the two of them go sit down and read blood clot story time or evening time.
Here down I go spit some facts, you know, I never did I look pan it that way there, but here what she I go say, you know.
Yeah,
Why them
because we know
always a
that
look a young boy when just a go
because
start live him life? Oh, you think
look
that's
here.
gonna work out?
But the men
Either them
them
are
do
gonna
the
end up
same
in the
thing.
grave over a young boy, or
But
it
the
just
men
not gonna work out.
but the men them do the same thing when them reach certain age and done out
But
and
listen
live
now,
them life and talk
listen
about
the
young girl
difference.
too.
Listen between the
Yeah, and
difference
tie down
between
the
a
young
man and
girl
a
pan
woman.
them.
Listen the difference between the man and the woman. You have to always remember this. You see the responsibility where a woman will take with a man now go take that with a woman. And make me show you the maths now. If me a 55-year-old now, and me take up a boy at 30, me 25-year-old than him. When me a 65 and me have all my doctor appointment and them a young blood clot, you think you have time to come with me about doctor appointment? A woman will take up their responsibility there and carry you as an old man. Carry you, got doctor appointment and wipe your back.
You have some big,
Man,
Dan,
do
you
them
get it wrong. You have
necessary.
some big old man do the same process,
They don't
same way.
understand what
Mine
I
some
say.
little girl from there
Same
in a
way.
school coming up.
Yeah
And
man,
non-stop mine
same
and take
way.
care of them because guess what? Them the little girl like can't come off a truck. When they come off a truck, they murder them. Of course, we are talking about a Jamaica
Same
with them, you know.
way,
It
same
go
way.
on same way
No,
enough.
you
Let me
not get
not
me
see them
point.
something
You
here.
not get me point. You not get me
It vice
point.
versa,
You
a
not get me
two-way,
point.
a 50-50.
You not get what me I say.
It go on right now.
No, you not. That's why I tell you so you not get me point. Listen what me I say. Let me explain it to you what me just say a while ago. I'm saying the reason why a young woman and an old man, look so bad because the woman, remember woman born to take care of people. Whether them pick me, remember when the man gone and you have your job that for take care of. So you as a woman, I go through your heart suffer. You go say, boy, me name out all that money as bad as thing, I'm go cook like a food game. Make me carry my apartment, make me wipe him up, make me wash him off. You understand? But when you take up a young boy and him to do that to you as the old woman, him not go do that, you forget your family them and that. Me I try to tell you. Me no say it's difference between man and me just show you just a difference between an old man take up a young woman and a young boy with an old woman. So later on when the old woman sick, the young boy now go there for him. But the young girl now will look into himself because woman soft. So we say, oh God man, let me carry him go an appointment. Let me wash 2 pieces of clothes for him. You understand me? So a man will get back something out of him. That's why me I say man will get back something out of him. But when you take up a young boy as a big woman and mind him, you don't have nothing to get back a blood clot. You lose straight out. Straight out.
So you know hear what the answer just now, my people. So big woman like older woman, them have to know say if them a deal with a young boy, them for just know what I mean, know say it's for a period. You know what I mean? Just have some fun. Don't invest yourself. You know what I mean? Just have some fun with a young youth and know say yo, this a go last until certain time. It not gonna last forever. Because at the end of the day, a young youth a go on live him life same way and you can't go tie him down. You see me? He may love you, yes, because older woman treat younger youth good. He may love you, but certain things him not go stick around for. Him a go live him life. And you have to understand that as a big woman, say you live your life. So you have to make a young youth live him life. You know what I mean? You can't want to lock him down if he be with you right through. He might go want to have fun too. You understand? So I want to tell me one thing, my people, alright? Just so I go end it. You see me I say.